Hello and welcome to Learn Page by Page. I'm Sally, and in this video I'm going to work on this fraction here and express it as a single fraction and simplify it as far as possible. The first thing to notice though is that this fraction is actually being subtracted, and that's a key point. And then the other thing is that both of the denominators are actually quadratics, or you might know of them as trinomials depending where you are globally. So firstly, before we get started, I actually always like to put the answer down. I like to know what I'm working towards, and I find it's a great technique to avoid that letdown feeling. So let's put the answer down, and it's y squared minus 5y plus 2 all over y minus 1, y minus 2, and y minus 3. So let's go and have a look at the fraction. We'll leave the numerators as they are. The first denominator, open up a pair of brackets. We're going to factorise this quadratic, and we can start both brackets with a y. Now, we know our signs are both going to be negative because that's a positive and that one's a negative. So it's minus times a minus is a positive. So we know our numbers are going to be negative. Now we're looking for two numbers that multiply to make 2, add to make negative 3. So that has to be a 1 and a 2. Put your minus sign in there. That's that one there. And now let's do the next. Numerator stays the same. Again, pair of brackets. And what do we have? Y again. Again with the negative sign because we have two negatives make a positive. So they've got to multiply to make 6, but they've got to add to make negative 5. And that has to be a 2 and a 3. Now, a lot of people at this stage are very tempted to think, oh, we'll cancel those. But you're looking to have the same denominator because this is a subtraction. So what you're looking for on this side, y minus 1, and here you want the y minus 3. So you're going to multiply that fraction by y minus 1 and all of this fraction, numerator and denominator, by y minus 3. So let's go ahead and do that. Change pen colour, we can see where we are. Numerators stay the same. So we're multiplying this fraction by y minus 3. So 2y minus 1 stays the same, but we'll pop it in brackets now. And then we have y minus 3 all over. And this gives us what we wanted, y minus 1, y minus 2, and y minus 3. And if you look at the answer, look, you know you're on track. Then we're going to subtract. And on this side, you've got y minus 1, which was already there, but you're also multiplying the numerator and the denominator by y minus 1. So that gives us y minus 1, y minus 2, and y minus 3. Now let's multiply out the brackets on the top. So the first is 2y times y. That gives us 2y squared. And then 2y times negative 3. That's going to give us negative 6y. And then minus 1 times y gives us minus y. And then lastly, minus 1 times minus 3 gives us positive 3. I'm going to put that in brackets, minus. And now this side, y times y is y squared. So I'm doing this one here, but I'm not going to draw on it like I did the previous one. Hopefully you should be okay with that by now. So we got y squared. This should also be in brackets, minus y, minus another y. Then negative 1 times negative 1 is a plus 1. And it's all looking good so far. That is all over the common denominator now. And now let's go ahead and simplify that numerator. So we have 2y squared minus 6y minus y is minus 7y plus 3. Okay, now we're moving on to this bit. And the key thing to notice is this negative. There is an invisible multiplication sign there, remember. So we have to multiply everything in this bracket by a negative. A minus times y squared, that turns that into a negative y squared. Minus times these two here, so these two collect to be minus 2y. So I'm going to have plus 2y, minus times a minus, and then minus times a positive 1 gives me negative 1 all over. And now let's see if we've got this. So 2y squared minus y squared, there's the y squared that we wanted. Minus 7y plus 2y, there's the minus 5y. And then we have 3 minus 1. There's our positive 2. Perfect. And that's all over y minus 1, y minus 2, and y minus 3. And that is fully simplified. Thank you so much and look forward to seeing you next time.